Are you ready to streamline your dining experience? Today, we are diving into how to use Apple Pay in restaurants in 2024. This contactless payments method not only enhances conveniences but also speeds up your transactions, making it an ideal choice for busy diners. Let's get started. Step 1. Before you head out, ensure that the restaurant accepts Apple Pay. Look for the Apple Pay logo or ask the staff. Most modern restaurants are equipped with NFC enabled payment systems, making it easy to pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch. Step 2. If you have not set up Apple Pay yet, here's how. Open Wallet app on your phone. Open the Wallet app. Add card. Tap the plus icon to add a credit or debit card. Follow the prompts to enter the card details. Authenticate. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to verify. Step 3. Making a payment. When you are ready to pay, for iPhone users, if your device has Face ID, double click the side button and authenticate. If it has Touch ID, double click and home button. Hold your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see done with the check mark. For Apple Watch users, double click the side button. Hold your watch near the reader until you feel a tap and hear a beep. Step 4. Keep track of your transactions. After paying, you can easily check your transaction history in the wallet app. This is handy for budgeting and keeping track of expenses. Using Apple Pay in restaurants is not just about convenience, it's about enhancing your overall dining experience. With just a few taps, you can enjoy faster service and a more seamless payment process. So, next time you dine out, go ahead and use Apple Pay for a hassle free meal. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Now, enjoy your meal and happy dining.